You see how the lines?
Oh. It reminds me of Meemaw's. Did you ever go to like Meemaw's upstairs whenever she was on the water?
Yeah, I think so.
It kind of reminds me of that. When
All
she,
wood.
not at Holiday Harbor, but when she was at Gold Beach Highway.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all wood and beachy. Oh, I want to go down the
She
stairs.
like navy blue.
Exactly.
You know what? That's their problem. And I'm sorry in advance.
Check this out.
Hey, Liza, up in the seat. Oh, wow. Say cheese. Wow. Well, let's go downstairs, the spiral staircase. Oh, look.
Look at this panel system. This controls all the stuff on the boat.
Oh, yeah.
I like how it looks like the old stereo. You know, you remember like on the old entertainment center cabinets? Like,
yeah. That's cool.
Your room's all the way in the front.
Ooh. Oh, got a bathroom, a shower,
this is older boat, must be.
but still very nice and spacious. Oh, oh dang. Oh yeah, I wanted to go down that one. This is nice.
It's like the master room. There's
The one we were just at?
no, this one's down there. I don't know which one. That one's bigger.
Oh.
I mean, you can take a peek. They're trying to come out.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice kitchen. Kitchen area. That wood's nice. Yeah. Ooh, check this out, Liza. Dang. Oh, look at that bathroom. We got wood. And like your mom said, this is an older boat. Still nice.